Hi there Disney fans and welcome back to Neverland Ben. If you guys are new to this channel, be sure to press the subscribe button, and of course if you want to see the notifications of my upcoming videos and stuff like that, just click on the bell and it's easy as that. Alright, so today we're doing an unboxing video. It's a Spider-Man costume, and I know this isn't like Zentai Zone and whatnot, but they tend to like package it like Zentai Zone, okay. But yeah, I got it off eBay. It was fairly cheap to be fair with you, man. eBay Zone perhaps? I don't know. But yeah, let's get back to the video, alright? Alright. I might keep like the bag though. Let's have a little look at it. It's a separate like piece. Brilliant. And let's have a look at the costume. It's the Spider-Man Far From Home costume, and it's a vertical. Is it vertical, horizontal, something like that? It's, well, to put it like in a better way, it's a zip up. I can just simply like say that. Before I stick it on, I'm gonna like have a look at the details first. Obviously, it's not Zentai Zone. I don't know what the manufacturer is, but I've got no complaints about it. Obviously made from China, you know. It's spandex, like quite thin, so it's going to be quite like see-through. So I would recommend like wearing something like underneath the costume, like for various reasons and stuff like that. Do you know what I mean? Yeah, I'll be back in a minute. So yeah, that's the costume. Yes, I haven't got the mask on at the moment. I'll show you what the bodysuit looks like at the moment. The criticism I've mostly got are these. Yeah, regardless of it like being a cheap costume, it would be good if they could like put some effort like with the feet there. But what I will do is I'm gonna like get some like Spider-Man boots, like to get rid of the embarrassment of all. I must say that's the embarrassment. Embarrassment. Oh man. Alright. I dread to think what the mask is going to be like. I dread to think, man. Right, so this is the mask. I was hoping it'd have like a zip on there, like a back zip on there. That's very disappointing. So it's going to be pretty hard like wearing that, especially due to the fact that it's unlikely that like the Zentai Zone base gel would like fit through this thing. So yeah, here goes nothing. That's coming on quite easy though. Whoa. Okay. I really can't tell what I look like in the mirror, to be fair with you, man. I'm not quite so happy with the mask, though, to be fair, man. Especially if I can't see like at all. Yeah. I can only see like roughly close up to the iPad. So I guess I'll have to take some like pictures and stuff like that. I must say, man, it's very like really disappointing, like for my first unboxing like video and stuff like that. I don't know, man. I really don't know what to say about that, man. So yeah, that's pretty much like the unboxing of the Spider-Man Far From Home. Take his mask off. I mean, the costume is fine, don't get me wrong, but I really think they should like put some more like effort and all that. And I think like size large isn't really like the wise choice. So I would give it a 7 out of 10 to be fair with you, man. Yeah. I'll let you guys like be judging it. Just go on eBay, type in Spider From Home, Far From Home cosplay, then you'll probably see that result. So I might get like a new like costume of this. We'll see where it goes from there. I'll stick my mask back on. Oh, another issue there is when that pokes out. Annoying. With Far From Home, it's definitely far from annoying. Do you see what I mean there, man? I just really can't barely see, do you know what I mean? So I think when it comes to Comic Con, yeah, I was going to have to be careful, I guess, but mind you though, I have got a Zentai Zone like mask and the lenses, but it doesn't really like suit like the Far From Home like vibe. So I'm gonna like look into like getting some lenses like for my face shell and use my Zentai Zone mask like for my Spider UK costume before the zip got busted. So yeah, I'm gonna finish the video from there, guys. Gonna take some photos and yeah, as Jimmy Cricket always says, when you wish upon a star, your dreams will come true. So be nice, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video. Time for me to go.